The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Double-Digit Divisor and 5-Digit Dividend. Example, 11,111 divided by 55. Let us set the dividend 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 in the right extreme of the abacus and set the divisor 5, 5 in the left extreme of the abacus. We should not worry about these fancy numbers, and the procedures adapted in the division should be used here too to get the right results. As the highest digit of the divisor 5 is larger than the highest digit of the dividend, which is 1, the quotient should be set to the immediate left of the dividend. As 1 is smaller than 5, let us take 11 to fix the assumed quotient. As there are 2 5s in 11, let us reduce 1 and set 1 as the assumed quotient. Let us multiply 1 with 5, that is 0, 5. That means 0 should be subtracted from the 10,000s column and 5 from the thousands column. For this, we have to subtract 1 in the 10,000s column and add 5 in the thousands column. Let us multiply 1 with 5 again, and the value 0.5 should be subtracted from the thousands column and the hundreds column. That is 0 subtracted from the thousands column, and in order to subtract 5 from the hundreds column, we have to subtract 1 in the thousands column and add 5 in the hundreds column. Now let us check the remainder, which is 56. That is larger than the divisor 55. Therefore, simply add 1 to the quotient and subtract 55 from 56. The remaining dividend is 111, whereas the divisor is 55. As 5 is larger than 1, we have to set the quotient to the immediate left of the remaining dividend. As there are 2 5s in 11, let us reduce 1 and set the quotient 1 to the immediate left of the dividend. Let us multiply 1 with 5 and subtract 0 from the hundreds column and 5 from the tens column. For this, we have to subtract 1 in the hundreds column and add 5 in the tens column. Again, we multiply 1 with 5, which is 0.5. That should be subtracted from the tens column and the units column. That is 0 from the tens column and 5 from the units column. For this, we have to reduce 1 bead in the tens column and add 5 in the units column. Now let us check the remainder, which is 56, and the divisor is 55. As the remainder 56 is larger than the divisor, simply add 1 to the quotient and then subtract 55 from the dividend. Let us check the answer now. The last 2 digits on the right side of the abacus are meant for the remainder, as the divisor is a double-digit number. The column third from the right, which is the hundreds column, is a separator of the quotient and the remainder. Let us check the quotient, which is 202. That is, 0 is a part of the quotient. You can notice that in both the division process, we had to make adjustment in the assumed quotient. And we also get 0 as a part of the quotient as well as the remainder. Therefore, this example provided different possibilities that we get in the assumed quotient, real quotient, and also in the remainder.